Yo, just reached the 1 million Swagbucks milestone. Let's see some of the member benefits I get. $150 bonus. Oh, let's go. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Double Swagbucks on the next 3 gold surveys. Alright, so if I'm gonna take a survey, I should find a high paying one and double those. Additional 2 hour to redeem any swag code. Real-time shipment of 5 gift cards up to $50 in value each month. Okay, that's pretty good. Or you don't have to wait like 3 days for the gift card to be emailed to you. It just comes to you right away when you redeem it. That's awesome. So when I get $10 or less of cash back on something, similar to the real-time shipment, I get my credits instated right away instead of having to wait for them for a month or even 2 months. So benefits like these alone are the reason that I use Swagucks as my preferred cashback website. Now, before we move on, I don't want this all to be about me. I want to help you out a little bit. So if you're one of the people out there looking to make a buck on Swagbucks, I got the resource for you. I made the ultimate Swagbucks resource. Is just a list of the easiest ways and unique ways to earn on Swagbucks, so you could get your gift cards for your video games or for whatever else you want to use them on. We've got the list of best discover offers and these links that lead you to them. Secret video links, guaranteed search wins, and then other useful links. If you want to make more on Swagbucks, go check it out. The link will be in the description. Alright, now to show you that it's legit, we're gonna go and redeem my Swagbucks. And I'm gonna show you the $50 real-time shipment. I usually just go with PayPal since I already redeemed the Amazon one. So let's go with the $50 one. There we go, I just redeemed it. I should get an email now saying that I have it right away. But maybe it doesn't work for PayPal gift cards because on my email right here it says it's still 2 to 3 days. So it seems like the real-time shipment on the PayPal funds doesn't work. So we're gonna try the same thing on an Amazon gift card. I would never do this, but this is just for the experiment. Oh, I don't even have to do it. It says right here, congratulations, you are eligible to instantly receive this gift card. So actually I'm not gonna do that. I'll just do all PayPal. Even though I can't get them right away, I'd rather just have the cash. So right now is the RevU challenge. Last year I participated. I got in first place for a brief period of time. Also got into second, third place, and I think ultimately I was in the tens or something. So I got the smaller reward, not the huge $5,000 prize or $1,000 or $2,000 prize. But yeah, right now is the best time for my earnings. Let me show you my account, guys. I've been a member since March 2019. Now this was the best bonus I ever got. Come on now. Got the Thanksgiving badge, Swagbucks 13th birthday. Crazy, it's been around 13 years and I just started in 2019. I mean, to be fair, I would be a little kid 13 years ago, so maybe not so crazy. I mean, all these other badges. Yeah, so I've completed the daily goal 100 times. Swagbucks Live. Wow, I've played it before, actually many times, but I haven't even won it once. Come on now. Swago apparently has 2. Special day. Which ones did I miss? Ooh, I missed Merry Christmas. Maybe I didn't miss them. I think these are upcoming. Referrals carrying my earnings. That's just what's gonna happen when you have the top rated video on YouTube for the term Swagbucks. Discover deals. I earned some there. Promotional. I guess some things are marked as promotional. Watching videos, yep. Taking surveys, there you go. Shopping online. Like I said, I think it's the best cashback platform. Swagbucks Live. Wasn't lying. I've played it before. Earned $1.74. Don't get it twisted though. It was not easy. Look at this referral number right here. Yeah. When you start looking at this number, you're like, maybe this man's underpaid. Boom, ba-da-dum, dun, 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 dun. Lit. Now let's go into my activity log. Let's look at some of these people. Shout out to Peg Photos. This guy's been killing it. If you know of me somehow, please comment below. You've been killing it for me since like 2020. I don't know what the 700's for, but that's a lot. Okay, some referral bonuses. Alright, that's what happens when you reach 1 million Swagbucks on Swagbucks. Hope you guys appreciate my transparency. I thought it'd be interesting to show you guys. If you made it to the end of the video, don't forget to drop a like button on it. I'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching.